Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to find more security and privacy in this other settings section. And now let's localize credential storage, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap. And as you can see, again at the bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for. So remove all user certificates. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.